The external casing adopts a fully enclosed all-stainless steel structure, and the internal tabletop is also made of stainless steel. This design maintains surface smoothness, prevents cross-contamination, and meets GMP requirements. Equipped with a plexiglass observation window, it enables real-time monitoring of tablet status. The electrical control system is integrated with a variable frequency speed regulation device, featuring easy operation and stable running performance. A built-in overload protection device will trigger automatic shutdown of the equipment when pressure exceeds the rated limit. The transmission system is sealed inside the lower main oil tank, forming an independent and isolated component unit to completely eliminate cross-contamination. A dust collection device is provided to absorb dust particles in the working environment. An oil pan, dust ring and automatic lubrication system are equipped. A human-machine interface, HMI, and PLC control system are configured.